Okay, got another quick video for you guys. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the TP-Link 5-port Gigabit Ethernet switch. And this is an unmanaged switch, meaning that it is plug and play. You just connect it directly to either your Ethernet hardwired connection that you might have in your house or your business, or you can connect it directly into your network router via one of the Ethernet ports on the router itself to expand your hardlined Ethernet connection capability. But yes, so this particular model, again, is the 5-port model. You can get various different options, actually. There's a wide selection. You can go and have a 4-port model, or you can have a 6-port up to an 8-port, even a 10-port switch if you happen to have a lot of network devices you need to plug in. Okay, the box off of here, and there right on top we kind of have a installation guide up and running. So right on top here we have the switch itself, and below that we've got a few more accessories. You've got the power adapter to plug into the wall to provide power, obviously. So you do have to have a separate power source for this device. It doesn't run off of power over the Ethernet connection. And then it comes with these little 4 rubber feet that you can stick on the bottom of it if need be. You've got your 5 Ethernet ports right here on the front, as well as a power indicator. And each of the Ethernet ports does actually have a little LED indicator on each one of them that will flash depending on network usage. So you can kind of get an idea of how much network is being used and which device that is connected is being used at any given point in time. And also I forgot to mention, this is the TL-SG105 model. Again, there are other models that you can choose from. And these are also labeled, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the 5th port is the Link/ACT port for those that need to use that. Then on the side, just kind of general airflow and whatnot. Kensington lock, a loop prevention switch, so you can turn that on and off, again, if you need to do that. The power input. And so we can see the switch is powered on. Apologies for the messy network area right here. It's not a place that I usually go to very often, so there's quite a bit of dust everywhere and stuff. But the network switch is right there. It's powered on, and I have 3 devices connected into it. As you can see, those LEDs are on and flashing. And if a particular device connected via the Ethernet is not powered on, you will not see the LED light. And then the light on the rightmost side, obviously, is your power. But this is currently coming in from my router. So I have a Ethernet cable going from the router into the switch, and then 2 of the connections on the switch go out to 2 other different devices. One of them being a Synology NAS. So this switch is very, very useful. Again, the reason I have it is because the Ethernet ports on my router are basically filled up. I have no extra ports left, so that's where this device comes in, and it allows me to have a few additional ports to plug some devices into it. So anyway, that's basically it for this particular video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the thumbs up button as well. I really appreciate you guys doing that, because it helps the YouTube algorithm get my videos out there a little bit more, and just tells that same algorithm that you guys are enjoying my content. So yes, with that all being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.